Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again, I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn about two new methods, offsetTop and offsetLeft. Suppose this is our browser, and inside this browser, we type some text. And also we take a div element at that place. And now I want to extract the distance of this div element from the top side. I want to extract the distance from the top also from the left side. To extract the values, JavaScript introduced two methods, offsetTop and offsetLeft. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code editor and see how we can extract these values. So as usual, side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using LiveServer extension, and I already created an HTML document named index.html. And as you can see, in our body tag, we have a div class box. And in this div, we have a paragraph, a dummy paragraph. And I already styled this box div. Here we set background, also set width and height, 300 pixels. Also we have a border. And now I want to measure the value from the top and the left. For that, we need to jump into the script tag. So I'm going to type script. And inside the script tag, I'm going to use console. Console dot log. Inside the round braces, I'm going to print a statement box offsetTop. Box offsetTop colon, and then I'm going to use concatenation sign. And now we need to target this box. To target this box, I'm going to create a variable inside the script tag. So our variable name is var box equal to, and I'm going to use document.querySelector method to target this box. Document.querySelector. Then inside the round braces, inside the double quotes, we need to pass the box ID. The box class name, which is .box. And then semicolon 2 in this line. And now I'm going to use this variable name, box. Box dot, and our method name is offsetTop. And semicolon 2 in this line. At the same way, if we want to extract the value from the left, we need to duplicate this line. And I'm going to replace this statement, y offsetLeft. And also, we need to change the method name, y offsetLeft. And before save this file, let's open the console, inspect console. And I'm going to save this file. After save this file, you can see the value. Box offsetTop 8 and box offsetLeft 8. Now the question is, why it's written 8 and 8 from both the direction? Because this is the default margin of body tag. That's why sometimes we need to use margin 0 from all the direction in our body tag. And also you can notice the 8 pixel gap from the top side and from the left side. But if I use margin property, first I'm going to use margin property in our body tag. So here I'm going to type body, and inside the curly braces, margin. Margin value 0. If I save this file, now you can see in my console, it's print box offsetTop value is 0 and also offsetLeft value is still 0. And if I add margin at left side, let me show you, margin left 100 pixel. And then save this file, you can see the result. Now our box offsetLeft value is 100 because we have 100 pixel margin at left position. Also, if I add margin top 50 pixel and then save this file, you can see the value. Now you can see in my console, box offsetTop value is 50. But what if we add a paragraph before this box div? Let me show you. So I'm going to add a dummy paragraph. Lorem, and I'm going to add 200 word of paragraph. After save this file, you can see the value. Now you can see our offsetTop value is 354 pixels. the distance between browser top to div is 354 pixels. So this is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn about two other methods, scroll top and scroll left value. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.